Nicotine patch, 48 counts, 4 walls, intermediate walls. Weight on the left. Section 1. Step forward, kick, hitch, cross, back, side, cross, back, side, cross, 3/4 turn, quarter back, half forward, now facing 3 o'clock. Count section 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Section 2. Forward quarter touch hold facing 6. Forward hitch hold facing 3. Weave cross side behind. Quarter forward step pivot half turn facing 6. Count section 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Section 3. Right foot. Step. Point out, touch in. Left. Step. Point out, touch in. Half basic. Forward, half back, back. Coaster. Back, together, forward. Count section 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Section 4. Make 1/8 turn facing 10:30. Side, back, rock. Make a quarter turn facing 1:30. Side, back, rock. 5/8 curvy feather. Quarter, 1/8, quarter. Now facing 9. Left foot. Rock, recover, together. And start the dance again. Count section 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tag. Tag after wall 3, facing 9 o'clock. Tag is step, kick, hook. Step, kick, hook. Count for the tag is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And start again. Whole dance count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wall 2, 12 counts restart. Wall 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Restart. Then you will do wall 3. Wall 3 finish at 9 o'clock. Tag 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then start wall 4. Wall 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is wall 5. Wall 5 also 12 counts restart. Wall 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Restart. Then you will do another 4 full walls and finish here. To end the dance, step, hitch, quarter, side,